What is going on, good people? We are back for yet another one, and I know it is time for overseeding. I know it's almost time for you to put that seed on the ground, but before you do, there's one product that may contribute to the success or the failure of your upcoming overseeding this fall. Stick around in this video and we're going to talk about exactly what that one product did. All right, let's get into it. All right, so this is probably going to be a product that you did not think about that would contribute to the success of your fall overseed. So when it's overseeding time, you know, what are we going to be doing? Once we get the seed on the ground, we've got to get it to germinate. And the way to do that is water. That means additional moisture is going to be on the ground. And then the temperatures, we want those to still be moderately warm for the grass to go ahead and grow and germinate. So what does all of those things have in common with something that we have been dealing with over the past few months? Those are the elements for disease. Disease pressure is going to increase once you start adding all of that additional water to keep the seed moist. So that is the key to getting seed to germinate. It must remain moist. So by adding all of that additional moisture to the ground, we have now increased the disease pressure in our existing lawn. So we need to protect ourselves from that. And how do we do it? We do it with a fungicide. And what fungicide am I recommending that you go down with? Propiconazole. Yep, I said it, that's right. This is one of the times that I will say this is a good option for going down with Propiconazole in this situation. So that is the obvious reason, but Propiconazole has a couple of other features to it that you may not be aware of that can help you and improve the success of your fall overseeding. Let's get into the next reason of why we should go down with Propiconazole during our fall overseeding. The plant growth regulating properties. Yep, that's right. This is one of the things that are not as talked about or as well known about Propiconazole, but it was originally formulated to be a plant growth regulator, but it ended up being marketed and decided to be a fungicide because of the fungicidal properties that it had. So that is very beneficial for us as we get into overseeding, because now we have a existing lawn that we want to hold that growth back to allow our new seed to germinate and then to start growing and get itself established before we have to get out there and start mowing. On top of that, this is probably a product that you have on hand and you don't have to go out and buy. If you've been running a fungicide program, typically just about everyone has some Propiconazole somewhere within their fungicide program for the season. All right, so this was a quick one for you. I know a lot of people are getting ready to seed around this Labor Day time frame. So I wanted to get this one out and let you know this is a product that could really help you with your fall overseeding, and also the fact of in your existing lawn, once you start adding that additional moisture, the warmer temperatures and higher humidities that we are still experiencing, we're not quite in the fall just yet, putting down a fungicide like Propiconazole will definitely be beneficial. I have been there personally where I have went down, did my overseed, and with the additional water and moisture that was on the lawn, started to run into disease pressure in my existing lawn, which then set me back. So make sure that you're taking heed to this. This is a simple step that you can put down to be able to get you through this period. So if you're striving to have those immaculate lawns or gardens, just know we work.